Hello everyone, are you looking for a winning scalping strategy? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you the one that's been bringing me big profits and lots of satisfaction for the past year. Unlike the countless ineffective scalping strategies out there, my approach is unique and proven to work. If you're tired of wasting your time and money on strategies that don't deliver results, then you won't want to miss this video. So get ready to learn the winning scalping strategy that can take your trading to the next level. Let's get started. To identify a downtrend, traders look for lower lows and lower highs, which indicate a pattern of declining prices. The best time to enter a trade is when the security is making a lower high. This signals a continuation of the downtrend, and traders may look for opportunities to sell or short the security. On the other hand, to identify an uptrend, traders look for higher highs and higher lows, which indicate a pattern of rising prices. The best time to enter a trade is when the security is making a higher low. This signals a continuation of the uptrend, and traders may look for opportunities to buy or go long on the security. Let's set up our chart with the indicators. First, we need to change the candles to Heikin-Ashi candle and consider working with a time frame of 15 minutes to avoid false signals on a lower time frame. Now, onto our indicators, we'll be using the Relative Strength Index, RSI. And the Stochastic RSI as our second indicator. We leave the indicators with their standard way, we only have to remove the moving average on the RSI indicator setting. Simply unchecked it. You can personalize your indicators with the best color that fits for you. Now, let's put this strategy into practice. We have confirmed an uptrend by identifying higher highs and higher lows in the price action. To spot a potential opportunity, we will use the RSI and stochastic indicators. For an uptrend, we will look for a confirmation entry in the lowest part of the indicators. We will look for both indicators to be touching their lower levels, which are set at 30 for the RSI and 20 for the stochastic RSI. Filtering the candles is crucial, and we should avoid entering a trade if we see a doji candle. These candles suggest market indecision and can result in false trading signals. We'll enter a trade once we spot a long Heikin-Ashi candle. This can provide clearer signals and help us avoid false trading opportunities. By waiting for a long Heikin-Ashi candle to appear, we can increase our chances of entering profitable trades. To manage risk, we'll set a stop order below the previous candle and aim for a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio. This will help limit potential losses and ensure that our potential profits are greater than our potential losses. Let's look for other trading opportunities. So we've identified a higher low along with confirmation from both of our indicators. This could indicate a potential trading opportunity. To avoid false signals, we always filter out the doji candle and wait for a long candle confirmation before entering the trade. Waiting for the candle to close is crucial before entering a trade. It helps ensure accuracy and reduces the risk of false signals or market fluctuations. This trade also turned out to be a winner. We have confirmed a downtrend by identifying lower lows and lower highs in the price action. For a downtrend, we will look for a confirmation entry in the highest part of the indicators. Now, let's skip the doji candle and wait for a long Heikin-Ashi candle to confirm our entry. Once we spot the entry opportunity, we will set the stop loss above the previous candle and set a risk-reward ratio of 1-to-3. Now that I have shared one of my secret strategies with you, I recommend testing it out and always using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 3. This can help you achieve consistent profits over time. I have developed this strategy over the past year, and it has been profitable for me so far. If you enjoy my content and would like to see more, please subscribe and support my channel for more tips and strategies. Thank you for watching.